Oh hey everyone, I'm just settling in to watch the premiere of one of my favorite YouTube cocktail channels, 60 Second Cocktails. We were actually lucky enough to do a collaboration with Vino Valentino this week, both on the history of the Mai Tai and some unique Mai Tai riffs. So if you want to see his great show, and also see more of us, check out his latest, greatest episode. We'll also put a link in the description below. All right, just about ready to dive in. I need a cocktail to enjoy while I'm watching the episode. And hey, since we're on the subject of Mai Tai riffs, let's quickly make one of the most popular Mai Tai riffs out there, the Honi Honi. So this drink appears in the 1972 revised edition of the Trader Vic Bartending Guide as a Trader Vic original. Similar to the Beachcomber's Gold showing up in the 1970s, it's likely that Vic was catering to an evolving clientele that preferred drier cocktails. But whatever the case, it's essentially a 44 Mai Tai with blended whiskey instead of rum. All right, let's start with 1 ounce of lime juice. We're actually going to use fresh limes here, so we're going to cut one up and squeeze it. Let's pour that in. You're going to want to hold on to one of these spent lime shells to use as a garnish at the end. 1/2 ounce of orange curacao, we're using Pierre Ferrand in this case. 1/4 ounce of Orgeat, we're going to use Liquid Alchemist. 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Now, in this case, we're going to use Demerara syrup just for a little extra spice. And finally, 2 ounces of a blended whiskey or bourbon. We're going to use Angel's Envy for a little extra kick. All right, let's pour all that into our shaker. We're going to add some ice cubes to chill the drink as we shake it. Shake for about 8 to 15 seconds. Also just sounds good. All right, we're going to use a chilled double rocks or Mai Tai glass. Pour in some crushed ice. Now just strain it in. Look at that, looks very much like a Mai Tai. Now we're going to use that spent lime shell from earlier as a garnish face down on top. Stick a straw in, and there it is, the Honi Honi. All right, let's give it a sippy sip. Wow, that is just a fantastic riff on the Mai Tai. It's got a little bit of spiciness in there from the extra spicy bourbon, and yet it's well-rounded from all the other Mai Tai ingredients that you would expect. I can see why this is a really popular Mai Tai riff. Check it out. So there we go, I got my cocktail and I'm all ready to watch our collaboration episode with Vino. Please be sure to check it out after this, because as Vino likes to say, sharing is caring. And to all you out there, until next time, cheers.